The OEMTOOLS Master Wheel Hub and Bearing Remover and Installer Kit is designed to remove and install bearing hubs with pressed bearings on most domestic, Asian, and German front-wheel drive cars and European rear-wheel drive cars. It also works on all-wheel drive vehicles, giving it a broader application than similar tools from competitors. A heavy-duty thrust bearing reduces effort and extends the life of the tool. With a self-centering design, it is durable and easy to use. Clear instructions are included on the packaging. You can successfully complete the job in just a few steps. It saves you valuable time because the work is done right on the vehicle, with no shop press required. Just select the adapters that fit best and remove the hub, then remove the bearing. The same adapters can be used to install the new bearing and hub. It's that simple.